Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your phone is unlocked and supports the carrier's bands. That matters because incompatible bands prevent service even with a SIM. Insert the new SIM now and restart the device so the modem recognizes it. Once done, open Settings and navigate to the mobile network area. Make sure you have APN values, username, and password at hand because you'll enter them in the next step to enable data and MMS. Now you'll create or edit the APN profile. Tap New APN and input the APN name, APN string, MMSC, MMS proxy/port, and APN type exactly as the carrier specifies. Accuracy matters for data and multimedia. Then choose the preferred network mode such as LTE/3G/2G and pick the carrier under Network Operators. This forces the handset to register properly. After saving, toggle airplane mode off and on to reinitiate network attachment, so changes take effect immediately. Finish by verifying voice, SMS, and data. Make a call, send an SMS, and load a web page to confirm connectivity. Data may require a few seconds to register. If something fails, recheck APN entries for typos and reboot the phone. Sometimes deleting and recreating the APN resolves hidden errors. One key troubleshooting tip: note the device IMEI and SIM IXID before calling support, because carriers use those to diagnose provisioning or network-side blocks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.